What's up, everybody? Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to go over the substitute function. It's basically a way to be a little more specific with replacing things. So we used the replace function the other day. It's an awesome video on that. If you want to be a little more specific though, substitute is going to be great for you. So right here, let's say we're at NASCAR, we're scorekeeping. Actually, no, I have been to NASCAR. Yeah, it was pretty fun. But anyway, let's say you're here and you want to get rid of the first, second, and third. You want it to just be 1, 2, and 3, just like these numbers, so you can match up with the car. What you would do, so you have this data, and you're going to go equals substitute, and all it's going to do is replace the existing text string with a new text in the text string. So we're going to take something that's there, replace it with something we want. That's it. So substitute, what do we want? There's the cell. That's the text. And what's the old text? We want to get rid of that ST. So we hit a comma, just like the formula tells us here. It gives us the roadmap. And the old text is ST. Quotation marks because it's text. ST. Close the quotes. And what's the new text? What do we want to replace it with? And the answer is nothing. So all we do is quotes and quotes again. Because it's going to look at the text and put it within those. And because there's nothing within those two quotation marks, there's nothing that's going to go in there. And instance number, this is how many times you're going to do it. Let's say you wanted to, if something happens more than once, if you want it the first time, it'll be 1, second time, it'll be 2. So we'll do 1, close that, there it is, equals substitute, text, same thing, old text, ND, we're getting rid of that, ND, new text, nothing, and the first time we see it. There you go, equals substitute, text, comma, old stuff, RD, we're getting rid of that, RD, see, third, 3, RD. We're putting nothing in there, and the first time we see it. And there it is. But if you wanted to get it back here, you just take these, and just like we did before, you copy, right-click, copy, and you can go right here, or you can highlight them, right-click, and paste values. When you do that, you're going to have this. Great. Numbers, numbers. The only difference is these are all formatted differently. That's what you know. You know there's an issue because of the green triangle. Highlight them. This will show up here, and it tells you what the error is. So usually you can right-click it, convert to number, bing, bang, boom, we're done. Let's say we want to go here. We want to get rid of something a little more specific and maybe get a little more detailed in what we want to substitute. Okay, so let's say we know somebody at work, name is Matt, for example. And Matt, for some reason, cannot type well. Matt is definitely, he's capable. He just, for some reason, keeps holding on to that T when he puts his own name in there. Okay, so you go here, substitute. Find the text, and we just want to keep 2. Old text, we want to get rid of T. There's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we want to get rid of, and we want to replace those 6 with just 2. And we want to do it the first time we see it. Close it. You could do it that way, or you could do old text. And then we'll go with, maybe we just want to get rid of 3 of them because we know that there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So, okay, we want to get rid of 4 of them. Let's add properly. New text, we'll replace it with nothing. So all we're doing is getting rid of 4. And, again, 1. You see how that is. You can chop it up however you'd like. Number, we want to get rid of 1. Equals substitute. So this one's a little more interesting. You go here, comma, and the old text, R. So we want to get rid of un-R. New text, blank. Maybe we want to get rid of the last one. So here we'll do 2. Actually, we'll show an example. We'll contrast them. So we'll go here. Then we'll copy it again. So we're here. And we want to see, the original cell. But instead, we're going to get rid of the second R. You'll see that there's no difference. Same thing. You can go select either way. It doesn't matter. We can also get rid of numbers. Substitute text. The old text, that's going to be a 3. New text, we don't want any of that in there because whenever he hits the E, he hits the 3 on accident for some reason. First instance, there it is. And we'll get rid of a special character now. Old text, substitute, there it is, text. We want to get rid of the pound sign or hashtag depending on your age. New text, nothing, and the first time we see it. And there it is. And remember, just to put them in there, you right-click them, right-click, copy, and you go here, right-click, paste values, problem solved. All right, hit that subscribe button if this has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.